Hey everybody, this is 10 Days of Timely Tips, Day 9. We're talking about the 80-20 technique, also known as the Pareto Principle. Productivity isn't about doing more work, it's about spending energy on the right type of work. This concept is the backbone of the 80-20 rule, the idea that 20% of the input creates 80% of the result. The remainder of time is usually spent making small amends and minor tweaks. The real work was done long before. So to increase your productivity, find the 20% of your work that drives 80% of your outcomes and prioritize it. But how do I find that golden 20%? Step 1. You need to start by understanding where your effort goes. How long do you spend on specific tasks? You can find all this information effortlessly using a time tracking software like Timely. Step 2. Analyze the data you find. Which tasks give you the biggest return? Step 3. Put the tasks that drive the most results at the top of your to-do list every day. Step 4. Automate as much of the 80% as possible. And that's it.